It is a common mystery. Your ceiling stays dry during a drizzle, but the moment a heavy storm hits, the drips start. Why does your roof only fail under pressure? The first place to look is the gutters. During a light rain, water flows easily around debris, but if they are partially clogged, heavy rain causes them to overflow backward, pushing water up under the roof shingles and into your attic. Next, check your flashing, the metal seals around vents and chimneys. Small gaps might block a sprinkle, but the sheer volume of a heavy downpour can create a rush of water that flows over the top of loose flashing, penetrating the roof deck. Roof valleys channel vast amounts of water from two slopes into one stream. In a severe storm, the rushing water moves with enough force to drive moisture sideways under the shingles if they aren't perfectly woven and sealed. Finally, look for debris dams. Piles of wet leaves or pine needles on the roof act like sandbags, trapping water in a pool. Your roof is designed to shed water, not hold it, and pooling water eventually soaks through the structure. Heavy rain exposes hidden problems. If a storm has let water into your home, you need immediate help to prevent mold. Contact Gold Coast Flood Restorations